Welcome to the Caper Beach Club, located about mid-island on Fort Myers Beach, Florida. I'm Melissa with TriPower Vacation Rentals. Today I'm so excited to show you a beautiful unit that we're very proud to offer you and your family during your next beach getaway. Join me on this tour. I'll see you on the other side. Well, what did you think? Unit 302 of the Caper Beach Club, located about mid-island on Fort Myers Beach, Florida. Here at TriPower Vacation Rentals, for those who stay here at Caper Beach, you get to enjoy all the fabulous amenities that come along with staying here in that unit, including that beautiful heated pool that you saw earlier, all of the other amenities. This is a 2-2 unit that also has a sofa bed, so you can sleep up to 6 people. And with a laundry facility right here, washer and dryer in the condo, you really don't have to go anywhere if you don't want to. You got a private balcony overlooking the beach, the pool, and the grounds below. It's really just a perfect place to come down, unwind, and relax. We would love to have you stay here with us. Visit TriPowerVacationRentals.com if you'd like to see this listing's detailed or any other listings that we have to offer. If you'd like to stay here a little bit longer than just a week or two a year, visit C21TriPower.com. That shows you all of our real estate listings in and around Fort Myers Beach, Florida. And we appreciate you following us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. That's the first place you're going to see all of the tours that we offer here at TriPower, including many other properties that are coming along. So we thank you so much for staying here with us, for being here with us year after year. Thank you for following me on this tour, and we can't wait to welcome you back to the beach very soon. Thank you.